Okay, hello guys. So I will not make a live stream today. But okay, let's do unboxing of what we call a Waterpik Flosser. And I will introduce you to my beautiful friend. Her name is Alaa.
Hi, hello.
Okay. Now,
I just repeat this now.
yeah.
Okay.
So what is this all about? What is the Waterpik Flosser?
It's the alternative of the flosser.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll do unboxing of this thing. Okay. Yeah, it's a good place.
Two of them.
Yeah, these are two tips for it. Okay, nice. That is the body of the Waterpik Flosser.
And here we insert the water.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Here we will insert the water.
here the batteries.
Yes, the battery.
So first we will remove
Yeah.
this one.
Okay.
Then we will open it from here. Then you just make like that.
Okay.
And you open.
Yes. Okay, so it's battery operated.
And 3 batteries. Double A.
Yeah.
You can see it's it's double A.
Double A.
Yeah.
So it comes already in the box,
Yeah,
right?
it's already inside the box.
Now she's putting it inside the Waterpik.
Two.
Akala ko may festival ka, charot. Pinakakain ka doon sa ano ba?
We're doing a vlog.
Oh, nakakain ka sa binangkal.
Ay, sarap! Thank you, thank you.
Okay, it's ready.
Sorry for the interruption. Okay,
It's
we'll
okay.
continue.
Then
Now she's closing it. Yes.
we will,
Yeah, lock.
we will lock it. Then we will put the water
Uh-huh.
box in like that, and it's ready.
Sorry. But she did it right.
No, you just cut it. It's an accident.
What happened? Ate Lai
I
was
just put
asking.
one batteries in the wrong way.
Ah, I see. Okay, so guys, be careful. Look what happened. So better to put the batteries properly.
Okay.
But guys, mind you, everything's still okay, right?
Okay, so.
Oh.
Hi, Tay.
Hi, Ate Lucy. Hi, it's my vlog. And we're doing unboxing of her Waterpik Flosser.
So it's ready.
So it's ready.
What is that?
It's a water floss.
Waterpik Flosser. It's very nice. It's an alternative instead of using dental floss.
I
It's
love
Yeah. Thank you. Love you too.
See, aside from being beautiful, she's sweet, and also Ate Lucy, she's
I
sweet.
can see she is sweeter than me.
Yeah. She's
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes, you're maganda.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Same to you. You're maganda.
Ate Lucy, I love you. Then we
Now
just
she's
put it
going to put the tip
just like
of
that.
the Waterpik Flosser. Yes.
It's ready to
And yeah. Now how to operate it?
How to put the water
How to
inside,
put water first?
just like that, and you can put the water from here.
Nice.
Put it back again.
Okay.
It has 2 power, 1, 2.
1 and 2. Yeah. And that's it.
There is instruction when you are using it.
Okay.
Don't use it and open your mouth so all the water will go everywhere. Just make your head down. You should put your head down and put it inside
Oh, that's
between your gums and close
demonstrating
your
how to
mouth.
use it.
Just close your mouth. Don't make like that on the
Yeah,
mirror,
because
so
it's
all
gonna
the water will be in
would
everywhere.
come out.
Yes.
So
And when you want to remove it, you should click here and
press
pull
this.
it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Easy how. Okay, so how they will? Yeah, just leave it like that when they're not using it.
Yeah. You can take it in your travel bag,
Yeah. Bye,
and
Ate.
it's very easy to use. It's very simple also.
Nice.
And you will get healthy smile within 2 weeks.
Wow. Just like her,
Healthy
guys. Just like her. That's it.
That's it.
Okay, guys.
And this is my first time to do a review.
And guys, take note, she agreed to be in my vlog.
Yeah, sure.
So, guys, comment down below anything you want to say and ask.
And add me also.
As where? You have also a YouTube channel. Okay, guys, she has a YouTube channel. Okay, tell them that they should follow
I
yours.
will put it on the subscription down.
Yeah,
Down below.
I will put.
Yeah, okay,
So
you
that
just
they
put
will
it.
follow. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it. Her name again is Alaa, and she's very beautiful, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, dear. Here we go again. So, what do you want to add more? What is the secret, by the way, of having a beautiful hair like yours?
I'm eating healthy food. I'm practicing. And I'm taking some supplements. It cools. This one.
Oh, so that's her supplement, and it's what we call. What's the name?
Priorin N.
Okay.
Take it 3 times a day.
3 times a day. It's a tablet, right?
Yeah.
Not a capsule. Okay.
Capsule.
Ah, okay. Nice. So that's your secret of maintaining beautiful hair.
So my hair was until here.
Really? Before? Now it became longer
Yeah.
and healthier looking.
And you should drink a lot of water.
Okay. What else?
That's it.
So guys, buy this product.
Priorin N.
Try, yeah.
And this is the ingredients inside.
Huh.
It's for hair loss and people who have breaking nails.
Oh.
Okay, so and if you can see the ingredients,
Yeah, like. Okay. It's made in
and
Germany.
and it contains 90 capsules.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
And what is that? That's your scent?
Yes, it's a channel.
Nice. So that's her scent, guys.
You want to try?
I'm all covered here. But for you, it's okay.
I just put a lot. Yeah, and this is an important thing. You have to use a wood brush,
Why?
not a plastic.
Why? So that.
I don't know. It's something related to. It's healthier than the plastic.
That's the plastic one.
Yeah.
Yes.
This prevent.
So
Hair
we're not.
loss.
So we're not doing only unboxing of your Waterpik Flosser that you ordered.
It's all the bag.
You are. What's in your paper bag?
And
Why-
also I
by
have
the way,
this
she has
My
a bag,
bag,
a
I
nice
have
bag. Louis Vuitton.
A very nice sunblock. It's a stick. It's finished now.
What kind of sunblock?
It's called from Mesostatic.
Mesostatic.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I saw
I
it.
put it in my bag.
Okay. What else is in
And
your bag?
This is from NYX
Next.
for my eyebrows.
That's why she's having those
And
beautiful eyebrows.
It looks like a rabbit.
No, it's nice, pretty.
Very nice. And I'm having this from Body Shop, but it's for the cheeks and the lips. You just put here,
Yeah. Oh, nice.
just like that. It's very.
It's like a tint.
It's a tint. Actually, it's a tint.
It's a tint. Okay.
What else? This is Shukran
Shukran
card.
card.
So we all have to go. What else?
You know, Shukran card. Me and my husband we share
100 fills.
100 pills. You know, guys, for our country, it's equivalent to 16 pesos. Okay, again, the message is
What I have is again another sunblock from
Oh,
Soskin.
nice. This is So Skin. This is a very good brand, guys.
Yes.
And what else?
I have another thing. And it's a moisturize for my lips.
Yeah, Labello.
Yeah.
That's
What
it.
else?
And of course, there's a bill, guys. Violet one. 5 kg. Which is equivalent to, in our currency, it's gonna be in peso, like 5 kg. No, like
God,
500 pesos. No, like 500 pesos. Okay, so that's it in her little, nice, cute bag.
Yes. Do you want to share anything?
What? Me? No, you are my featured artist for
Love you,
this vlog.
Vanessa. And I have this one. It's very nice.
Yeah, what is this? What is the
It's
importance?
a salted peanut.
Salted peanut. Okay. It's a favorite of yours.
It's my favorite.
That's why.
You can take.
No, I cannot eat.
Why?
Because I'm enclosed. Okay. What else?
And what else I have?
What else is in your
Dulce
fridge?
gave me this one.
Oh, so that if you wear mask,
Yeah.
right?
It's from
is-
Katie.
No, it's the volume changed.
Yeah.
No. Okay, guys, so that's it for my vlog. Okay? Because, guys, see, the clinic is empty as of now. We're just finishing our duty, okay? And are we having more vlogs?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, guys, that's it, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys.